Hello everyone, welcome to my course Introduction to the Linux Command. In this video, we're going to see some more commands. So let's start. In my previous video, I've shown you how you can use mkdir list command and how to check the current working directory. Now, if you want to create subdirectory, how you can create that. So let's see that. So for that, you have to just write the same command mkdir for make directory. And now here, I am going to write like this. If you see last time I have created Amit directory, right? So inside Amit, I wanted to create a directory which is 2, right? So I wanted to create another directory that is directed 2 in that. So let's see that whether we will able to do it or what. So just press enter. So see it is giving you a message that directory 2 is created inside Amit. So let's see that. So if you want to go inside Amit, how you'll do that? First of all, the present working directory is what your home Ubuntu. So in order to change the directory, in order to go to that path, you just have to type change directory inside this to Amit, type cd for change directory, press enter. Now you see ls, it's showing you directory 2, right? You are already in the home Ubuntu. This is similar to like this. When you type here cd Amit, it will bring you inside this path. And inside this path you have a directory dir1, right? So here we are already in this path. Now if you want to go inside Amit, because inside this home Ubuntu you have a several folders. If you want to go inside the Amit, how you are going to do that? You just have to type cd name of the folder Amit. Once you click on this, the path will be changed from this to this. Like this, and directory 1 will be inside this. Now, if you want to check for another folder also, let's do that. Now we are in the Amit inside, right? We wanted to come back. So how you will come back? For that, you just have to type cd dot dot. So let's see that. Let me rub this. Now I will going to type ls command once again here. So it's showing only directory 2, right? Because inside this Amit folder, we have only one directory. Now I wanted to go back same on this home Ubuntu. I will type cd dot dot, press enter. Then I will check my present working directory. So see, it's again we come back to the home Ubuntu. Now if you want to go inside the same path, what are the folder we have? Desktop, document, music. So let's try music. So we come inside the music. Now what is present working directory? Home Ubuntu music. Now if you want to check the list of file inside, so there is only one file neetu.txt. Now if you want to go create directory here, how you going to create that? Make directory -v dir1 dir2 dir3, means I am creating directory here, inside that directory 2, inside that directory 3. It will be, suppose the directory 1 is your main folder, parent folder. It will be something like this. This is your directory 1. Inside that it will be your directory 2, and inside that it will be directory 3. So this is dir3, this is dir2, and here dir. Okay, so like this it is something. So just let me press enter here. So cannot create no such file and directory. Okay, I need to create one directory first. Whenever you get such error, you can just check it. So I will going to create a directory first. So it has created. Let's check whether it created. Yeah, it is created. Now I wanted to go inside the directory dir. So I went. Now you can check present working directory is this. Now you come to this dir path. Now you can create the folder mkdir -v dir2. So it shows that it created a dir2. Now you check ls command. So the dir2 is available now here. It means that now if you wanted to create a dir3 inside this, how you can do that? mkdir -v dir3. Press enter. See dir3 is created. Now see. Now if I check what is my present working directory, so it is like this. Home Ubuntu music directory. Inside this directory, you have created dir3. If you want to create inside dir2, just cd dir2, create inside this mkdir -v dir3. Press enter and now press ls command. So you see that the path is home Ubuntu music. As we said, dir2, dir3. So here dir, inside that there is one subfolder dir2. Inside that there is a subfolder dir3. So if you check ls, it is showing you dir3 inside this subfolder. Now if you wanted to go back, now if you want to go back on this path home Ubuntu, so you can either type one by one. So if you type cd dot dot, it will bring you to the dir. Okay, if you type again cd dot dot, it will bring to the music. It is a time consuming process. What you can do is you just type this. This command will bring you completely onto the parent directory. That is your home Ubuntu. So I hope it is clear to you how to run the command, how to create a directory inside a subdirectory, or how to create a subdirectory, how to check the list of file inside the subdirectory, how to come back to the parent directory. If you want to come back direct to the parent directory, instead of doing step by step, you can directly write this cd/dot. So I hope this session was informative for you and you learned some command in this video. In my next video, I will going to cover some more commands that will going to help you to work with this Linux operating system more efficiently. Till then, bye. We will meet in the next video.